Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak English and I can understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100% sure.
Okay, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because, ma'am, we have same time in Philippines.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Cheska Dipentes. I'm 24 years old. I'm single. I'm from Philippines.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
When
I
is
don't
your
have children.
Okay, so when is your birthday?
June 17, 2001.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3" and my weight is 60.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Okay, what about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and four sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I'm the fifth, I'm the fifth in the sixth.
You are the fifth. Okay, what about your parents? How old is your parents? And what is their occupation?
My mother is 56 and she is a housewife. And my father is 57 and her work is construction.
Okay, so according to your profile, you have a working experience way back February 2021 to March 2023 for 2 years. Is it a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Stay in maid?
Stay in, ma'am.
In which place or which part of the Philippines?
In Batangas, ma'am.
Okay, so you work there for 2 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Batangas?
My responsibility duties is taking care of child, cleaning, ironing, and cooking.
Okay, did you do laundry there?
Yes, ma'am.
You wash the clothes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm washing the clothes.
How many children you take care?
One, ma'am.
How old is the child?
10 years old.
Okay. So after 2023, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am. I applied as a factory worker
In which part of the Philippines?
in Cavite, ma'am.
How many years you work there?
1 year.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working?
Since 2024, then I stopped working 2025.
What month is it? In 2024 and 2025?
October, I stopped the work.
October, and then what month you start in 2024? October also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you will working as a domestic helper, okay? And this job is a very tough job. This is not a simple job, okay? Houses here is quite big. There is no joke, yeah? I am giving you or telling you the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here is very particular also when it comes of cleanliness. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing. Because breaching or
Yes, ma'am.
terminating of contract You know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad and you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to
Anything,
take
ma'am.
care? Okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Anything, ma'am. If I can cook adobo, sinigang, or vegetable, or fried chicken, fish.
Okay, so you
It's
are
a
willing,
simple.
but you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm agree, ma'am.
If you agree, it's fine. Then you can come here, work properly. Don't give us trouble. But if you
Yes,
disagree,
ma'am.
it's also fine. We don't force people to come, okay? Maybe you stay in the
Okay.
Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, being a first timer, frequently homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere. So, how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
If I'm done my work, ma'am, I'm gonna call my family and distract myself.
Okay. So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. And
Yes,
you
ma'am.
wanted to give yourself a better future, most especially that you are still single right now. And later on, you will have your own family. So you need to work hard for it, okay? In Philippines,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Cheska. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank
connected through
you, ma'am.
WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much and have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Bye.